Welcome to in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap on the volume section, and by swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side this volume panel, you can change the ringtone volume of your device. And also we can do this with the second way. Just be sure that here in volume button control you can turn it off this option, the switcher, and then by just press your up or down volume button you can also change the ringtone volume of your device, and also by swipe this volume panel with your finger here to the up or to the down. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.